Want to drive more business success? It all starts with mastering your conversion rate. So, what exactly is conversion rate? It's the percentage of visitors who take a desired action on your site, whether that's making a purchase, signing up, or downloading a resource. Conversion rate is a critical metric for businesses. It shows how well your marketing and website are working. A higher conversion rate means more leads, more sales, and more growth. Looking to boost your conversion rate? Start by honing in on essential elements, a clear and compelling call to action that directs your audience exactly where you want them to go, a website that's fast loading and optimized for mobile devices, content that captures interest and keeps users engaged, and a user-friendly design that guides visitors seamlessly through your site. Pay attention to the little details that make navigation easy and enjoyable. Accurate tracking is crucial for improving your conversion rate. Leverage analytics tools like Google Analytics to get valuable insights into your website's performance. Dive deep into metrics such as click-through rates, bounce rates, and average session duration to pinpoint where visitors drop off and identify opportunities for improvement. Use this data to optimize your strategy and make informed adjustments for better conversions. We offer comprehensive information about conversion rate to help you dive deeper into this subject and discover valuable insights on sales and marketing. Our course is designed to guide you in expanding your business and increasing revenue. By registering on our website, you'll get access to detailed information about the course, including what you'll learn and how it can support your business growth. This in-depth program covers all aspects of building and scaling a business through effective sales and marketing strategies. Thank you for watching.